This always works for my grandpa.
Yeah, I did that. Nothing.
This always worked for grandpa.
It's not working.
Dang, she a deep sleeper.
Right?
This is insane. She and her blanket.
Yep. Yeah, come on, baby.
This little piggy is sleeping. This little piggy sleeping. This little piggy. All these piggies sleeping.
The piggies worked. The piggies worked.
Is she up?
I got a sign of life. I got a sign of life.
She up?
Yeah.
Yeah, school started like 5 minutes ago, dude.
Get up. I'm just gonna have to carry her. Okay, I'm gonna lift you up.
Pika, pika! Wake up!
Okay, let's flip her over.
Give her the old flipperoo. Give her the old flipperoo. Give her the old flipperoo. The old flipperoo. Give it to her.
All right, I'm bringing your computer. We're getting started for school. She's awake. She's awake now for sure. I heard the giggles.
Come on. The
All
old
right.
flipperoo.
Come on, get up. Get your computer now. Get up. Oh, let's drop water on her head.
Yeah, go get me the water.
Okay, I got the water bottle. You ready? Oh, that pillow's gonna get really wet.
She knows this, and that's why she has confidence in Solus. She don't think we'll do it.
Ow!
That's really not.
Ow!
We're really just doing that to ourselves. Just get it in there and kind of scrub. We'll wake up and dry your hair. Come on.
Come on, get up.
All right,
now.
come
Let's
on.
go. Let's go. Let's go. You got school. Come on.
Wake
Come
up.
on. Come on.
Wake
let's
up.
Go. That took forever.
That took too long.
You know
School ends in 20 minutes.
You know how many alarm clicks of those I put
You got
in
all
her
Google's
ear?
best alarm clocks and it did nothing.